cut the material, we can go back in and clean up any tall cuts, and then we can move back in and get the next row of cedar that's behind there. You can also push with the shark. Very helpful in stacking and putting your material into the piles. Of course, you can come back later with a grapple if you need to and further organize it, but you don't really have to with the brush shark. You can push and rake with it all day. Here's the brush shark just going through some very dense cedar. These are all 1 inch to 2 inch thick cedar growth. So you just cut along until you get through it, and then you go back the other direction and just till you're done with it. Here you can see where you can push with it, you can stack with it. Now he's cleaning the shear by cycling it a few times and shaking all the dirt and rocks out from underneath the front cover.